So I looked at this one when I was doing it, and I was like, wow, it's got 4 marks. Must be hard, right? Okay. And I think when they gave this graph, right, they're looking at a graph, right? So that's gonna be a problem, right? Okay. And really, what I think they should have asked was, what is the peak force here? Okay. I think that's what they should have asked, and then maybe that would have been challenging to us, right? But they didn't. They asked for the average force, right? Well, that's just really, I think all we have to do is divide, right? We know that the impulse, right, is force times time. We know that that's 0.313 Newton seconds, right? We know that force times 0.0894 is equal to 0.313 Newton seconds. Isn't that just a division problem? Right? I'm going to go this number divided by that one, right? So, I just think this is hilarious, right? I think what they meant to say is, what is that peak force there? Because then we'd have to use like an area equation or something like that, right? So the marks are impulse is force times time. That's 1 mark. Okay. The second one is that indeed to find the force, we would have to say force is impulse over time, right? Only they spell the whole thing out, right? There's another mark. Okay, then the numbers, right? Plug the numbers in, and then you get an answer, which is between 3 and 4 newtons. Okay. Yeah, that's kind of funny, right? I think they meant to say, what is the peak force, right? If that had been peak, then you would have had to use an area argument, but as it is, you don't have an area argument. Now, when I did it, I was like, oh my gosh, this is going to be hard. So what I did was I said, well, this is 2 triangles, 1/2 base height plus 1/2 base height, right? Okay, so the total area is force times time, right? Is 1/2 base height plus 1/2 base height, right? Which ends up being force times time is base height, which is 0.313 is equal to, and this is we get all the marks too. The base is 0 as a time, right? It's 0.0894, right? And then the height is the force, right? And then that's also division, right? So I was trying to make it hard, but it's just a divide. You're going to divide that number by that number. Okay? That's kind of funny, isn't that funny?